Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today, I'll be showing you how to pin someone on your Zoom meeting. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this one is the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Zoom application if you haven't already. After entering Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting, join an existing meeting, you can either schedule a meeting and so on. So guys, you can see I currently have already created a meeting where I am the host. As you can see at the right side of the tab, here is the participants tab. As you can see, I am the host and there is another person right here. And let's say that this person is previewing a video that we want everybody to see, and we want to pin them so that everybody will be able to see their video. Doesn't matter who is talking at the moment in the presentation. So guys, to do that, all you have to do is go ahead and find the video of the person that you want to pin and right click right here. And after right clicking on them guys, you can see that there is an option right here called pin. You want to go ahead and click on the pin option right here guys. And as you can see here, now this person is currently pinned. As you can see, here is the option to remove the pin, which means that they're currently pinned. As you can see, when they're talking, only they will appear to every participant in the meeting. After you have finished guys and you want to remove the pin, all you have to do is either right click again and click on remove pin, or click the button right here called remove pin. So go ahead guys, let's go ahead and remove the pin. And now we have successfully removed the pin, and now it will be brought back to anybody who is talking and they are no longer pinned. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.